Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese Danish from scratch. Begin by prepping ingredients and chilling butter, then combine cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla to make the filling. Roll thawed puff pastry on a lightly floured surface and cut into squares or rounds. Spoon the filling into centers, fold edges, and brush with beaten egg. Chill briefly, then bake until golden and slightly puffed for best results served warm. In this video, I will show how to make cheese Danish from scratch. Start by beating 8 ounces cream cheese until creamy, then add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 egg, and a splash of vanilla or a pinch of lemon zest. Mix until smooth and scrape down the bowl to ensure even texture. Chill the filling briefly to firm it slightly, which makes piping or spooning easier and prevents runoff during baking for neat, professional-looking Danishes. In this video, I will show how to make cheese Danish from scratch. Roll your puff pastry to an even thickness and cut into squares or circles, then place filling in the center and fold or crimp edges as you prefer. Brush the pastry with an egg wash for a shiny crust and bake on a preheated sheet until golden and the filling is set but still slightly soft. Cool briefly before glazing or serving warm for the best flaky texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.